Here's a Goodman condenser at my school. I just came here to do an open house, so this is how to enter from my school. Goodman. This replaced a 1995 1.5-ton carrier unit. They put in a 5-ton. Model number GSX 14-06018KA. 16 week of 2015. R410A. That suction line's cold and sweaty. Yeah, that's out the temperature. That's a really nice install. It's a 14-seer unit, but not really. So yeah, this is a really big old unit. Looks like one of those 2006 GSH 13 units that I like the startup sound with. Yep, there's another Goodman at the other side and the ductless unit right over there, so I'll go film those later. Really nice unit. This replaced a 1995 Carrier 38 CKD unit, but I've never filmed it before. And I joined the school since 2014, so I could have gotten a film of it. So, yeah. It's a 2015 5-ton Goodman 14-seer heat pump. So that Goodman all the way over there, I got a film of it in my other channel, and it's from 2003, I believe. But there's a 1.5-ton ductless unit right over there. That's matched up to the kindergarten. So yeah.